Did you know that every 17 seconds, someone in America is diagnosed with diabetes? However, a groundbreaking discovery from Harvard has enabled over 100,000 individuals to declare, "I'm no longer diabetic." Recent studies have finally unraveled the enigma of diabetes. Currently, there are 112,000 test subjects who have validated these findings. Tanya Barley, 62, from Birmingham, England was told there was no cure and she had an increased risk of heart attack, stroke and blindness. But now, after 7 weeks of treatment, she is diabetes-free and says, "All my blood test levels are within the normal range, and my cholesterol and blood pressure levels are normal." Using high-tech, phase contrast microscopes, researchers at Harvard have detected a toxic blanket that forms around the pancreas of diabetes sufferers. It's made of clingy zombie cells that block the production of insulin. These blockers can be easily removed by activating the immune system's natural killer cells, and the test results are simply amazing. So what are you waiting for? You'll be surprised how easy it is to get rid of diabetes. The stories of the 100,000 people who have overcome diabetes. Click now and watch the short documentary about this new discovery.